One of my favorite Rolex watches, this one from SwissWatchExpo, is the Rolex Yacht Master. It is a stainless steel watch with a platinum bezel, but look at that dial color. It is just so beautiful. I love the blues, and then you have the red secondhand and the red word Yacht Master. The lume plots are huge. You can definitely see this watch in the dark. The bracelet is gorgeous. It's the oyster bracelet with the high polished center links like you see on the ones that are a little bit dressier, like the GMT Master and the Milgauss. Got the flip lock here on the clasp. This one has, of course, the machined clasp, really great, and the Easy Link feature. But I think the dial is the star of the show, plus that platinum bezel is just to die for, with the sandblasted background and high polished numbers. It's a great look. Definitely look great on anybody.